Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Toppik Hair Building Fibers. I actually tried this product out in the past, but I had got the wrong color, so I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't really know how to use it, and I don't know if the color was right for me, so I kind of gave up on it. So I ended up getting some colors to try, which I'm going to be showing you, and I found one that is perfect for me. So if you know me, you know that I've had a long journey here on YouTube and in my lifetime when it comes to my hair. So I have naturally thin hair, which is hereditary. It runs on both sides of my family, but I'm sure that the thinning and the thinness also comes from dyeing my hair and hot tools, which is fine because I know there's not much I can do about it, but along the way I have learned and picked up on a lot of tips and tricks that help to make my hair look fuller and make me feel more confident. So Toppik is one of those things that not only works well, but it gives me the look that I need and that I'm looking for, and it also has helped me to feel a lot more confident about my thin hair. So I honestly thought, after finding the perfect shade, that Toppik Hair Fibers was going to be like a learning process, but I instantly figured it out, and it's the easiest thing on earth. So if you're having thin hair issues, thinning up here, thinning up at the top, or thinning anywhere, I've got the solution for you. So simple. Okay, so in my package, I got this little booklet that just tells you a little bit about the Toppik Hair Fibers, and then they give you like little how-to informationals here and some other information. So what Toppik is, it is hair building fibers. They are made of colored keratin protein, which blends onto your natural hair to instantly create the appearance of naturally thick hair. Washes out easily. This is for men and women. Anybody can use this product. You can use it as a root touch-up in between coloring. They actually have 9 different shades, which you can mix and match to create the perfect color for you. And it resists wind, rain, and perspiration. Okay, enough. Let's get started. I want to show you what I got first, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. So these are the 3 different shades that I got. This one is a light brown, this one is a medium blonde, and this one is a medium brown. So the medium brown actually ended up being too dark for my hair. I'm not sure if you can see here on the top, but it's kind of like a chocolate brown, which is too dark for my roots. So I haven't been using that one, but I have been using these 2. So I mainly use the light brown on my brown roots, and then I take this blonde one and I just kind of sprinkle it all over. I also got this pump here, which I'm gonna show you how to use it. You just put it on top of your Toppik hair bottle, and then you spray, and that's how you can apply it. Well, that's one way you can apply it. The other way you can apply it is actually just sprinkling it on your head. It's got this little top here that has a bunch of little holes, and you can just sprinkle it like that. But I really like this spray nozzle because I feel like it gives me more control of exactly, like, if there's something that I want to do in particular, like these places here in the front, I like to use this, but if I just want to put it all over, then I'll just sprinkle it. I also got this here, which is the Fiber Hold Spray, and it's just a spray that kind of helps keep the fibers in place all day long. And all you have to do is just spray it on your hair after you're done applying your fibers. And lastly, we got this Toppik Hairline Optimizer, which you just hold up against your head like this. It just gives you better like precision when you want to put it in a particular place. You just hold it there. It kind of works as just a shield and a guideline kind of, so you can apply the fibers where you want them to go. Okay, so first I want to show you how you can just use the fibers just to sprinkle on, and I'm going to be putting this at the top of my head here. Also, you want to use this on clean, dry hair, so I just washed my hair and blow dried it. Also, really quick, I want to do a before and after shot so you can see the thinning there and there. I also have thinning up here at the top, which isn't that bad, and it's probably not noticeable to anyone else, but since I know my hair, I know what it's like, and I know that it's thin up here, but I'm gonna work with this. So here is a before shot. So this is the blonde one, and I'm gonna show you, this is literally all you have to do. And honestly, the blonde one kind of shows up on my hair as blonde, which lightens my roots a little bit, which is good for that in between of getting my roots done. So I'm gonna put a little there, I'm gonna put a little here, and it just instantly attaches to your hair. And it's literally this simple. This is all you have to do. So now I'm going to show you that all you have to do, if you want to use the spray nozzle, is just pop off the top. This is what the fibers look like inside the jar. And then you just twist on the top here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm actually going to pull my hair back into a ponytail. And you don't have to do this. I mean, you can just spray it where you want, but it makes it easier for me to see like exactly where I want it to go. Here is a before shot of just my hairline there. I'm going to take my comb here and just spray right there along that hairline. Instantly fills it in and makes it look a lot thicker. Like, I have a lot of thick hair there, look at me. So now you can see here, and I'm going to apply my fibers here. So as you can see, it instantly filled in those spots. So now I'm going to show you, I'm gonna do a little bit here, and then I'm going to do it in my hairline where my hair parts. Instant thickness. Okay, so now I'm going to apply it up here into my split. And I'm not gonna be using the little comb for this. I'm just going to fill in that spot there. So it's as simple as that. You just spray where you need it. I do flip my hair a lot, so I'm going to just add some in some of these parts just to create that illusion that my hair is a little thicker in those places. Next, you just go in with your spray, which smells really good, by the way, and spray it in the places that you applied your fibers. Let that dry. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and then I'm going to style my hair because this is not the look I was going for today. And then I'm going to show you the complete result. So I just got done curling my hair, and as you can see that even though I was running my fingers through my hair, I was flipping and flopping my hair, putting in rubber bands, curling it and all that, and a little tease-in, the hair fibers stayed in place. So this is the finished result, and I just want to say that I love my Toppik hair fibers so much. If you have never tried this product before, but you were wondering about it, interested in it, I hope I gave you a good tutorial and a good enough bit of information to help you decide if Toppik is right for you. A little spritz here and there, and you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you ever used Toppik before? Are you interested in it? Do you have thin spots or just thin hair and you're looking for something just to help give you that little oomph that you need? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.